2011 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today we're going to be knocking out a quick tune-up. Basically, we're just going to be doing the spark plugs and the air filter right here. Here's our air filter part number, Romeo 83250, and our spark plugs. We're going to be using the Iridium NGKs. Where's the part number? There you go. You can see the part number. All right, let's get to it. Just gonna knock out this air filter real quick. Yuck. Make sure that the new filter is sitting in there nice and flush all the way to the bottom. And good to go. Now, spark plugs. $10mm. Remove your coil pack bolts. .5/8 socket on an extension. I'm going to put that down. Break them loose. Next, we're going to use our magnet. Push down here and pull these things out. You can see these are very worn. Vehicle has 170K on it, and the owner told me that he's never done a tune-up, and he's owned it, I think he said, since about 80,000 miles. So, not saying these are the original, but they could be. Denso, I think that is what they come with, but they could have just been replaced previously. I have our brand new spark plugs. Gently slide them down the hole, don't just drop them. So you drop them and they hit in a bad, open up. Because if you drop the spark plug down inside of the head and you close this gap, you're gonna have trouble later. You need that gap to stay open and to its exact measurement that it's set in. So when you're putting the spark plug in, use one finger, press it up against the wall, and guide that spark plug down until it seats. All right, for our new spark plugs installed, we're gonna go ahead them down nice and slow. When they bottom out, just a quick flick. You don't need to press these things in or anything crazy. And there you have it. Tune-up. Ta-da! Well, that's pretty much all there is to it, really. It's that simple. This video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you all next time.